Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Anyway, today we want to make weight loss drink. This one you can have it in the morning when you're having your breakfast or lunchtime. You can drink a nice, lovely tropical punch, tropical fruit slices drink. Alright, right here I have some fruits which I brought from the supermarket, slice up. And then, you know what I mean, I have them in the fridge and it came to my mind and one mind said to me, say, you know what, Pet, I could make like a healthy weight loss drink. So what we want to do today is to tell you what I have exactly what we're going to use inside of the smoothie blender right here. First of all, you need pineapple. This is how the pineapple look. 1, 2, 3, 4 slices of pineapple. All right, 4 slices of pineapple. Put it in straight inside of your smoothie ninja blender at your home. Then next, mango. 1, 2, 3 slices of mango. Put it straight inside of a ninja smoothie blender at home. This is some Julie melon, or some people call it yellow melon. All right, we're gonna put it straight inside of it like this. 3 pieces. All right, that's how it look. Then next, I got some mango juice, which I'm going to use inside of it like this. Roughly about 1/4 cups of mango juice. Nice one. And all you're going to do is put on your blender cover, just like this, and blend this for 4 to 5 minutes, and then you can have a nice lovely drink for weight loss. Nice and lovely. So basically I just finished blending it. This one, look at this. Nice and lovely. That's exactly what Chef Ricardo is talking about. Mango, yellow melon, pineapple, and mango juice. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel, and that's the weight loss drink. And see you next time. And this is Chef Ricardo on the team. Very easy. You can have this in the morning with your breakfast. Nice lovely smoothie or a nice lovely juice, whatever you like to have it, guys. Thank you so much and see you next time. And this is just tips from Chef Ricardo on the team. Bye bye.